Okay, I repeat again.
Nggak jadi itu ya.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place will be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you'll feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joy for giving. And if we try, we shall see. In ways we cannot feel, fear or dread, we shall resist and start living. Then it feels in our ways, love not grudge growing. So make a better world, make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. And the dreamy world.
Do you get, Madam and Mister? Kita beda aja ya. Okay. This song, I think that you know. I'm sure that you know about this song. It is sung by Michael Jackson. Do you know Michael Jackson?
I know he, but he don't
Of
know me.
course. You know him, but he
He
doesn't
don't know.
Don't know me.
Who is Michael Jackson?
Don't know me.
Do you know who
A
is
singer.
Michael Jackson?
A singer.
A singer. What is the nickname or the calling of Michael Jackson? Julukannya apa sih?
Apa?
Jeko.
Julukannya Michael Jackson. The nickname, the calling, the king of pop, gitu ya. The king
Yeah,
of
the
pop.
king of pop.
Rajanya langsung Michael Jackson. Number one, there is a place in apa ini nomor satu?
In your heart.
Your heart.
Ini ya Bapak ya. In your heart. There is a place in your heart. What is the meaning?
Suatu tempat di hatimu.
There is a place,
Ini
ada.
adalah
Oh,
tempat. Ada
There.
tempat di hatimu gitu
Ada
ya.
tempat. In your place, there is a place in your heart, di hatimu.
Ya.
And I know that it is love.
Dan saya tahu itu adalah cinta.
Atau kasih
Cinta.
sayang gitu ya. Konteksnya kan lebih ke kehidupan, jadi kasih sayang konteksnya. And I know that it is love and apa ini? And this place lagi, in this
Oh,
place.
this place,
Could
tempat.
be much brighter than tomorrow. What is the meaning? This place
Dan
could be
tempat
much
ini
brighter.
Lebih
Bright.
bercahaya daripada kemarin.
Brighter,
Lebih bercahaya. Right.
lebih bercahaya.
Nah,
Jadi kalau ada ternya itu lebih, misalkan small Lebih kecil berarti smaller.
Small.
Hot jadi hotter.
Oh, breaker. Kalau pot jadi potter.
Cold ini ya.
Colder.
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 Cool menjadi
Cooler.
Cooler.
Tapi kalau misalkan beautiful,
More beautiful.
nggak pakai beautifuler.
No.
Kenapa?
Tiga satu kata atau lebih.
Karena because beautiful
Cahaya.
only they are 3 syllables. Ada 3 suku kata. Kalau 3 suku kata 3 syllables using more. Misalkan lagi mahal. Mahal, how to say mahal?
Expensive.
Lebih mahal.
More expensive.
Bukan expensiver, but more expensive. Dangerous, bukan? Dangerous. Oke, lebih bahaya jadinya more
Dangerous.
Yeah. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to
cry.
cry. What is the meaning of cry?
Nangis.
Nangis ya. Cry.
You find there's no need to cry. You find. You will find gitu ya.
You will find. Will. Contraction. You'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you'll feel there's no
Heart.
hurt
No.
or
Sorrow.
Sorrow.
Apa artinya? Hurt? Apa itu hurt?
Luka.
Luka. Sorrow?
Derita.
Derita. Luka dan derita. Sorrow and hurt. Hurt or sorrow. Derita. Derita ini. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Care enough. Care enough. What is the meaning of care enough?
If you care
Cukup
enough.
peduli.
Cukup peduli for the living. Untuk kehidupan.
Kalau cukup kecil, how to say cukup kecil?
Small enough.
Small enough.
Kalau small, kalau misalkan cukup uang cukup, saya punya cukup uang, gimana bilangnya? I have
More money.
cukup uang.
Enough money.
Nah, beda ya.
Money.
Kalau yang atas ini small enough, yang bawah enough money. Kenapa kok terbalik ini? Enough-nya dulu baru money. Kalau ini kok enough-nya di belakang. Kalau dia itu sifat, nah, enough-nya di belakang. Small enough, big enough, and then clever enough. Tapi kalau benda, itu enough-nya di depan. Enough money. I have enough money. My brother is smart enough. Enough-nya di belakang. Kalau sifat di belakang. Kalau adjektif di belakang. Enough-nya. Tapi kalau benda, noun, enough-nya di depan. Noun. If you care enough for the living, make a better place. Make a
place. Better place.
Better place.
Dan selanjutnya, make a
Little space.
little
Better
space.
place.
What is the meaning of space?
Ruang.
Ruang. Little space. Itu ada a little space. A little space. Apa itu artinya?
Sedikit ruang.
Punya dua nih, little space sama a little space. Apa bedanya? A little space sama little space.
Sebuah peluang.
Misalkan lagi nih, I have a little money sama I have little money.
Sedikit.
Bedanya apa? Yang atas satunya apa, Bapak? I have a little money. Yang satunya I have little money. Do you know the difference? If we say a little, ini maknanya positif. Tapi kalau nggak ada nya, maknanya negatif. Maksudnya gimana? Misalnya, I am hungry. I have a little money, so I can eat. Saya lapar. Saya punya sedikit uang. Jadi saya masih bisa makan. Nah, itu positif. A little money. I am so busy, but I have a little time, so I can join the class. Jadi masih maknanya positif. But if we say, I am hungry, I have little money, so I cannot eat. Gitu. Jadi maknanya negatif. Saya punya sedikit uang, jadi saya nggak bisa makan. Nah, gitu. Jadi maknanya negatif. I'm so busy, I have little time, so I cannot join the class. Jadi kalau itu positif, kalau little nggak ada nya, negatif. Heal the word, make it a better place. Make, ya, make for you and for me and the entire
Human
race.
race.
There are people
Dying.
People dying. What is the meaning of dying?
Sekarat.
Sekarat, ya. People dying. Kenapa nggak people are dying? Karena ini frase, ya. Kalau frase itu apa nggak ada artinya. Tapi kalau kalimat people are dying. Ini frase, ini sentence. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why ya, to know why, there is a love that cannot lie. Lie, you know the meaning of lie?
Bohong.
Bohong. Kalau orangnya berarti
Liar.
Liar, bad liar. Love is strong, kuat, ya. If it only
cares
for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we
cannot
feel. Nggak bisa merasakan. Fear or dread, we stop
existing.
Kalau ada kata-kata stop itu dikasih verb ing. Atau juga boleh dikasih verb 1, tapi maknanya beda. Misalnya saya punya kata nih. I stop writing. Sama satunya I stop to write. Okay. Do you know the differences this statement? Bedanya apa, Bapak Ibu? I stop writing, I stop to write. Apa bedanya? Tahu nggak? Maknanya beda. Kalau kita bilang I stop writing, jadi
saya berhenti menulis, sedang menulis.
Sedang nulis nih, nulis, terus berhenti. Saya bilang I stop writing. Tapi kalau kita bilang I stop to write, misalnya saya sedang ngajar, terus saya berhenti, terus saya nulis. Itu namanya I stop to write, baru nulis. I stop to write. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris ini namanya gerund. Kalau bawahnya ini namanya to infinitive. So, stop apa tadi? Stop existing and start apa isinya, Bapak Ibu? We stop existing and start living. Start juga sama. Start setelahnya bisa verb ing, juga bisa verb 1. Tapi maknanya beda. Then it feels that always. Terus yang terakhir apa, Bapak Ibu?
Loves.
Loves. Okay. So let's read to some conversation. I have some question here. Sambil saya absen ya, Bu ya. Please answer my question. Pick one. Please pick one question and answer. Pilih satu dan jawab. Ya. Pick one question and please answer. It's about environment. Masih ada hubungannya dengan lagu tadi. Ini jangan diabaikan aja. Okay, I want to start from Madam Erlina. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please pick one question, Madam, and answer.
I choose number 1.
Okay, what causes climate change?
I think the climate change because of human deed in destroy our forest makes berkurangnya pohon
Increasing
because of destroying forest and using rumah kaca and using fuel not good in emission. So I think so, sir.
okay, climate change. What is the meaning of climate, Madam?
Iklim.
Okay, what is our climate in our country? You know,
2 seasons.
2 seasons. What are they?
Yes. Rain and dry.
Right. Season ya.
Yes.
Season. Climate itu iklim. Iklimnya iklim tropical. Tropical climate. Iklim tropis. Okay, thank you, Madam Erlina. And then
Yes, sir.
Madam Wilda. Hello, Madam Wilda. Madam Wilda, do
Yes.
you hear my voice? Okay. Please pick one question and then answer. What number do you choose? What number?
Okay, I check number 3.
Number 3. What kinds of energy can replace fossil fuels? Energy. Replace, menggantikan.
The
Kinds of
energy,
Do you know?
the energy can replace fossil fuel is bioenergy from sawit and
Palm.
what them name?
Palm tree. Sawit ya?
Yeah, sawit palm, yeah,
Palm.
palm and palm oil and what in English minyak jelantah. Minyak jelantah.
Oil. Second oil.
Oil, a second oil. Yes.
Okay, alright.
Yes.
Thank you, Madam.
Second oil.
Madam Hilda. Minyak jelantah itu lah yang ini ya, yang baru dipakai, habis dipakai ya, Ibu?
Ya, minyak goreng yang bekas gitu, Pak, Mister. Itu
Second.
bisa digunakan di daur ulang menjadi pengganti fossil fuel kayak bioenergi untuk minyak ini ya, biofuel.
Biofuel. Oh.
Ya, and from the manihot what singkong,
Cassava.
cassava leaf. No, leaf. Cassava. From cassava.
Become the energy.
Ya, pengganti di fossil fuels.
Fossil fuels. Okay. Right, thank you, Madam Bilda. And the next, Miss Nikita. Do you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please pick one question and answer.
I choose number 4.
Number 4. Okay, what kinds of things cause water pollution?
In my opinion, the kind of things cause water pollution is citizen, people, so many people membuang, sir.
Throwing
The garbage to the river so the water be polluted and not healthy to use.
Does that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Water pollution. Polusi air ya. Thank you, Miss Nikita. And then Madam Desi. Hello, Madam Desi. Do you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay. Please pick one question and answer.
I choose number 9.
Number 9, okay.
Environmentalist.
Okay, please.
From myself,
Yeah.
From myself to take care lingkungan sekitar.
Around sekitar lingkungan sekitar around. Yes, Madam Desi.
Yeah. Take care for environment from myself.
Okay.
And then mengajak to
invite
our family and then our masyarakat,
society
to menerapkan to implementation the health of sehat, the health life.
Okay.
And then must be motivation to good person because the environment is important for our life.
Okay.
Without lingkungan sehat, without healthy
environment,
we can apa namanya, punah.
Punah.
Our life akan segera punah. Apa sih bahasanya? I think enough, Mr. Barak.
Right. Thank you, Madam Desi, for your opinion. Mr. Ari, do you hear my voice?
Yes, Mr. Barak, I'm here.
Okay, sir. Please pick one question and answer.
I chose number 10, maybe.
Number 10. How was the environment different 10 years ago?
Okay, I think 10 years ago, humans very meaning with science and technology.
Okay.
Because the fast. Kalau dibandingkan apa soalnya?
Compare.
Ya, compare. No, masa sekarang?
Nowadays.
Iya, compare all this. Much technology and knowledge.
Then?
I think enough.
Enough. Okay. Thank you, yes. Mr. Ari Desman. And then Madam Ipe. Madam Ipe. Hello, Madam Ipe. Do you hear my voice? Madam Ipe? Madam Ipe?
Sorry. Okay. I'm here. Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Are you busy, Madam?
No. I don't know. My microphone is mute.
Oh, are you near Madam Desi?
Yeah. So please, agak berbunyi dah.
Pick one question and answer, Madam.
I choose the 5.
5. How will rising sea levels be bad for people? Rising.
Yes.
Okay. Please.
Okay. The rising sea level give the bad bunyi dia.
You can use Desi microphone, it's okay.
No. I use my microphone. Okay, the rising sea level give the
Sorry?
bad impact for people because can make the abrasion and then can the menyebabkan apa, Mister?
Causes.
Okay. Causes flooding for the dataran rendah.
Low level.
Level, and then maybe use the contamination of agricultural with the air garam, karena dia udah bercampur gitu.
Salty water.
Okay. Apa lagi ya? Okay, enough maybe.
Thank you, Mother. That's all. Sudah semua ya. Okay. Now it's still about media, so we can learn or increase our vocabulary from media, from the song, from video maybe. Now I will play one movie. The Skin. It is part of one movie. The title is The Pursuit of Happiness.
Happiness.
Do you know the meaning? The Pursuit of Happiness. Mengejar kebahagiaan.
Mengejar kebahagiaan.
Happiness must be found. Ya. Happiness must be found, not be gotten. Jadi kebahagiaan itu harus dicari, bukan didapatkan. Seperti itu katanya Bu ya. Katanya. Okay, I will play one scene of the movie. Please pick or find one statement or expression from the movie and then tell us what is the story. Okay, what is? I will play the movie and please tell me the. Jadi untuk yang hilang ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke bahasan ya. Saya cari dulu tentang saling Okay, this one. Okay, I will share screen. Please look for one expression or statement based on the movie and tell me what is the.
Where are we going? Dad, where are we going?
Do you hear the voice? Ada suaranya ya?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I can hearing. I can hearing.
Not a time machine. Dad, it's not a time machine. Guy said it was a time machine. What's wrong?
What guy?
The guy, he was at the park. He said it was a time machine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
All we gotta do is push this black button right here. You want to push it?
Okay.
Come on. Come on, man. Right here. Wait a minute. Where you want to go?
Oh no, someplace from before.
You gotta close your eyes.
You close your eyes. I want to see.
All right, come on. We'll push it together. You gotta close your eyes. Close your eyes. It takes a few seconds. Oh my goodness. What? Open, open, open.
Oh. What is it?
Dinosaurs.
Where?
You don't see all these dinosaurs? Look around. Look at all these dinosaurs. You see them?
Yeah.
I mean, come on, come on, come on. Wait, watch out.
What is it?
Don't step in the fire. We're cavemen. And we need this fire because there's no electricity and it's cold out here, okay?
Watch out! Watch
Whoa,
out!
oh my goodness. A T-Rex. That's a T. Get your stuff. Get your stuff. Get it. We gotta find someplace safe.
Like what?
We need a cave.
A cave?
We gotta find a cave. Come on. Come on, come on. Wait, watch your back. Look out. Here it is. Here's a cave. Come on. Right here, right here. Go, go, go. Get in, get in. Hurry, hurry.
Are we safe?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you get the story, Madam, Mister? Once more, satu lagi. One
Yes.
expression. Dapat satu expression, kalimat. Satu lagi ya. I play again. One statement or expression and how is the story? What is the story?
Where are we going? Dad, where are we going?
I don't know.
It's not a time machine. Dad, it's not a time machine. The guy said it was a time machine. It's not a time machine. He was wrong.
What guy?
The guy, he was at the park. He said it was a time machine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
All we gotta do is push this black button right here. You wanna push it?
Okay.
Come on. Come on, man. Right here. Wait a minute. Where you wanna go?
Oh no, someplace from before.
You gotta close your eyes.
You close your eyes. I want to see.
All right, come on. We'll push it together. You gotta close your eyes. Close your eyes. It takes a few seconds. Oh my goodness. What? Open.
What is it?
Dinosaurs.
Where?
You don't see all these dinosaurs? Look around. Look at all these dinosaurs. You see them?
Yeah.
Hey, come on. Wait, watch out.
What is it?
Don't step in the fire. We're cavemen. And we need this fire because there's no electricity and it's cold out here, okay?
Watch out! Watch
Whoa,
out!
oh my goodness. A T-Rex. That's a Get your stuff. Get your stuff. Get it. We gotta find someplace safe.
Like what?
We need a cave.
A cave?
We gotta find a cave. Watch your back. Here's a cave. Come on. Right here. Go. Get it. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, do you get the story, Madam, Sir? Dapat ceritanya dan expression apa ya? I will call you. Please mention one expression or statement that you got and retelling. Ceritakan kembali, ceritakan ulang.
Watch out!
Okay. Don't step into the fire. First, I want to call Madam Ipe dulu aja ya. Madam Ipe. Madam Ipe.
Not, I'm not ready because I don't focus.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, Madam.
Okay, wait.
I will start Miss Desi, Madam Desi. Madam Desi. Open mic. Okay, Madam.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God.
Wait a minute. Just watch out.
Watch out. Apa artinya, Madam?
Awas.
Awas. Okay.
Look around. About the
Look around.
his father said his children said his son.
Okay, please now tell the story. Summarize. What's happening in the story or in the movie last time? What's happening actually? What's happening actually?
Apa yang terjadi?
Yes. Ceritakan ulang, Madam.
Oh.
Retelling, please.
Give up, Mr. Barak.
Oh, give up.
I don't know what they say about.
How about Miss Desi? Madam Desi.
Ceritakan lagi. Me. I want try.
Okay, Madam Ipe, yes please. Actually, what's happening in the story?
The story is about the telling about the father and her son for her His son. Okay.
His son.
Thank you. His son. At some place, there don't know what happened. Ada apa gitu? Apa yang terjadi?
Yeah.
And father bingung.
Confused.
Okay, confused to tell about something. Confused to tell about something to his son. He confused bagaimana menceritakan gitu.
How to tell.
How to tell to his son about her problem.
His problem.
So, his problem. Okay, so father can some story to make his son happy and enjoy with their time, and father make the apa ya? Membuat cerita,
story.
make a story for making his son enjoy with keadaan itu gitu.
Condition.
Okay, enough maybe.
Do you find one expression from the story, from the video, Madam?
Expression afraid maybe.
Satu kalimat yang didapetin mungkin jadi ucapin bapaknya atau anaknya tadi.
Okay, go running. Yes. Go running. Running. Enough maybe, Mr.
Yeah,
Sorry.
thank you, Madam Ipe. Okay, please, Madam Erlina.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. One expression that you can get.
Expression maybe interesting in when the father said, "Get your stuff."
Get your stuff. Okay, what is the meaning?
Yes. Kemasi barang-barangmu.
Okay, please retelling, Madam. Retell the story.
In that film, there's a father and his son. I think that this father had many problems, and he don't know his son know about it. He bring his son in a travel, dalam satu perjalanan, bring their stuff, and sampai di stasiun, dan at the station they don't know where they want to go, but one of their stuff, the father make some consider the one kind of their bring as time machine, and he want his son consider that stuff is time machine and want to go his son wants, and his son choose go to when zaman dinosaurus, and his father can mewujudkan impian anaknya tersebut. Meskipun meskipun harus menghadapi ini masalah, sir.
Face the problem.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Madam Erlina.
Yes, sir.
Get your stuff. Miss Nikita, okay, your time, your turn. One expression that you can get from the movie or story of time.
Where we are going.
Where
we are going.
Where we are going. Ini.
Yeah.
Okay. Kebalik ya. Where are we going?
Oh, where are we going?
Please retell, Miss Nikita.
Yeah. Honestly, sir, I don't understand what they said. But I think the father and his son from the video, like confused about the situation. So the son asked her father where they are going. There a conversation with father and son, and I think they moved to the father asked his son to move to safe room, and then there are people di luar ruangan,
outside the room,
menggedor pintu, sir.
knocking
the door.
And then?
Just that, sir.
Oh, just that. Okay. Right, good. Thank you, Miss Nikita. Mr. Ari, are you there? Mr. Ari? Okay, busy. All right. Sudah semua ya? Sudah semua retelling? Okay. Now, please take one lesson that you can get from the movie last time. Apa hikmah yang bisa Bapak Ibu dapetin cerita? The moral value that you can get. Can you? Could you? Or we need to play once more? Apakah perlu diputar satu lagi? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Patient.
Happiness can we get anywhere?
Okay. One by one, satu-satu ya. What is the lesson that you can get from the story? I start from Madam Desi. What is the lesson?
My
Or
opinion.
the lesson that you can take from the story last time? Do we need to play again? Perlukah kita putar lagi videonya?
I think no.
No, okay, please, Madam Desi. What is the lesson that you take? The moral value that you can take. There is father and the son, and then
Our problem. Kita harus bisa menyembunyikan masalah dari anak.
We should be able to hide our problems.
Problem for our children.
Repeat, please.
We should to be able our problem to our children.
Why? Why?
Because our children not understand about our problem. Because apa namanya level?
The level
of mentality children it's different with orang tua.
Parents.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Besides that, parents must understand untuk menyikapi
to face
their problem. Bijak gitu.
Be a wise parents.
Okay.
Thank you, Madam Desi. How about Madam Wilda?
Yes, I think this story value about the communication with our children is very, very important. But we don't all the problem for children because no all problem our problem atau orang tua problem ya.
Parents problem.
Parent problem can diterima, can receive our children, and then if we get the problem, we must be patient and we tetap still communication with our our family children or pasangan
couple.
Yeah,
our couple.
I think the moral value terbarang
Yes, okay. Thank you, Madam Wilda. Are you
Okay,
in the car?
thank you.
Are you driving, Madam? Are you driving?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
driving.
going to kampung.
Oh, village.
Village. Yeah.
Your village. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Madam Wilda. Madam
Yeah.
Erlina. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Um,
What is the
the
value?
value that we can get from the film, the father will try to make a lot of entertainment to his son and will try to make his son happy, even if he has to hide his problem in front of his son.
Okay.
Super sekali.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Amazing. Yeah, thank you. So we have to hide our problem in front of our son. Thank you, Madam Elina. And then Miss
Yes,
Nikita.
sir.
How about you?
I think the lesson of the lesson is the dad try to save the son when there are people outside knocking the door. I think the person who knocking the door is orang jahat.
Batman.
Batman. So the father tried to save his son, like that, sir.
Father. The main point is father. Okay. Madam Ipe. Are you there, Madam? Oh, there is no. Nggak ada orangnya ya. Okay. Alright. So,
Here,
oh,
Mr.
there is. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, Madam Ipe. How about your value from the story?
Nilai moral dari film tadi. Oh, aduh.
You not focus. Okay.
No, I'm not focused because I have a small
Job.
meeting with
Oh,
my
okay.
ini.
Alright.
I'm so sorry, Mister.
Yeah, it's okay, Madam. Okay, well, Madam and Mr., there is 3 words that sometimes it's same for the pronouncing. Oh yeah, Madam Desi?
How about small meeting? Give me a vocabulary for small meeting. Rapat kecil.
Yes, it's okay. Tak apa-apa.
Oh, no problem.
It's okay, no problem. Small meeting, or you can say small discussion. Small discussion.
Oh, small discussion. Okay, thank you, Mr. Baron. Next.
Ya, 3 words. Ini artinya apa, Bapak Ibu? Ya. How about this?
Meninggal.
Iya, atau meninggal. Kalau ini?
Tanggal.
How do you pronounce them? Gimana cara bacanya? Dari atas dulu.
Dad.
Ini?
Dad.
Kalau ini?
Dad.
Loh, kok sama semua? Kalau ini, dad.
Dad.
It died.
Die.
Dead bisa boleh. Died boleh ya. Died. Kalau ini, date. Date. Ulangi lagi, yuk. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayah.
Dad.
Meninggal.
Die.
Tanggal.
Date.
Date. And kalau kita mau bilang akan bisa, gimana bilangnya? Harus bisa deh. Kita harus bisa. Gimana bilangnya?
Can be.
We can do.
Harus bisa. Harus bisa menyembunyikan.
Be able.
We must.
Ini kan ada 2 ya. Harus apa sih?
Still.
Mas. Bisa apa bisa?
Can.
Menyembunyikan.
Hide.
Kalau ada 2, ini namanya modal baru. Modal itu ada mas, ada can, ada may, ada will. Kalau 2 kayak gini nggak boleh. Yang belakang harus diganti menjadi similarnya. We must be able.
To hide.
Kalau can nanti diganti menjadi able. Tuh.
Apple.
Kalau may nanti diganti menjadi be allowed. Be allowed. Tuh. Kalau Mas nanti diganti menjadi have to. Kalau will nanti diganti menjadi
Going to.
be going to. Contoh lagi misalkan ya. Kita akan boleh ya, gimana bahasa Inggrisnya? We
will
boleh
we be going
Will be able to.
boleh apa boleh jadinya nih
Will be allowed to.
will
allow
nah yang belakang harus diganti menjadi nggak boleh we
be
will
allowed.
may nggak boleh
we will be allowed to join.
we will may. Ini nggak boleh. Nah, ini kan harus diganti menjadi similarnya yang belakang. Misal satu lagi ya. Kita harus boleh kita akan harus datang. Nah, gimana ini?
We will.
We must.
We will.
We will.
Mas.
Harus
We-
diganti.
Mas lagi.
Masnya diganti menjadi
Will have to
We will.
Oh, have to come.
we
Have
will.
to.
Have to come.
will have
Will be.
come
Will
to come.
have to come.
Coming. Come. Come.
Ya, Bu ya. Itu namanya similar mode. Okay? Do you have question maybe? No? For tomorrow for the examination, we are going to do promotion. Like yesterday.
Promotion.
Yeah.
To sell.
Selling product.
Selling
You
product.
choose one product. Actually, I will prepare, but if you have your own product, everything, you can use that. So,
Okay.
share the picture on the group, and then we will do tomorrow.
Okay.
Share the picture your product. Do you get my point, Madam? Sister?
Yes, sir.
After you promote the product, I will give you some questions. Yes, Madam Wilda?
Yes. Repeat again, please.
Okay.
What the
examination, telling the product or promotion, doing promotion like yesterday, Madam.
Ya.
yes.
Jalan, Bu, jalan.
Jualan. Jadi nyiapin satu produk, prepare one product, share the picture into the group.
Picture. Pakai
Yes.
picture ya.
Yeah, using the picture.
Saya mau jualan rendang, cari dulu picture-nya.
Googling.
Oke.
Okay. After you give the promotion, we'll ask some questions like that. Thank you very much, Madam and Mr. Do you have question? No?
Thank you, Mr. Barak.
Now maybe Mr. Barak.
Last, please turn
Let's
on
share
your camera.
our.
Sorry, Madam.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, Madam Erlina.
Please share our lessons yesterday and today.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. I will share
Our
Yesterday,
materi.
not yet.
for material yesterday. Yes. After that, I will share. Okay. The last, please. Let's we take a picture. Foto dulu ya, Bu ya. Kita belum pernah foto bareng. Open your camera, please. Selfie dulu ya.
Mangame.
Mr. Ari, are you there? Mr. Ari?
Busy maybe.
Oh, busy.
Ari petang. Oh, petang training.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go home. Cheese.
Satu lagi. 1, 2, 3. Kurang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Potong. Repeat, please.
Oh, lagi.
My style.
The style. 1, 2. Madam Bilda, smile.
Cuma buat
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Madam and Mr. That's all for our meeting. See you tomorrow for examination.
Thank you, Mr.
Let's
Barak.
close by say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah ya Rabbil Alamin. Thanks Mr. Barak. Thanks for today. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jangan lupa bawa rendang, Bu.
Ya, rendang, Bu.
Dikirim nih, dikirim.
Only picture.
Okay.
Jadi membayangkan rendang ya, sambil makan nasi aja.
Picture dulu ya.
Ya, share.
Iya.
Oke, saya izin Bu ya. Thank you. Next.
Thank you Mr.
Mr. Barak.
Barak. Mangga, izin live. Izin Bu.
Ya.
Sama-sama.